and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be attempting to create some curls on my natural hair with scarves. I've already done majority of my head. As you can see, the scarves are in. This is what they look like. Nice and tight. I got these from Amazon and I will have the link below if you guys are looking for them. I got 12 for, I want to say $12, so like literally they were $1 each. So this hairstyle can actually be done with anything. I ran out of scarves, so I had to find some stuff so that I can complete the rest of my hair. I have a big scarf. I got some bonnets that I'm gonna have to use, and I also have this thing that I use in Aruba to keep the dust out of my mouth. So we're going to be using that. And you can, y'all, you can cut up t-shirts to do this because it's not necessarily something that's super hard. There are so many different techniques. The reason I wanted to do this whole experiment because I used to do t-shirt curls back in the day on my straight hair and I thought they were so cute and so innovative. So I was like, let's just try to see what I can do with my natural hair. Apparently all 12 is in. Now, like I was saying previously, this is how I am doing them. At first, I started off doing them kind of like this, like a braid. Like I take my hair as the third piece and I just braid it, but it looks like this. But I am going for more of this look. I'm hoping to get like, you know, curlier curls by doing this. So I am going to be redoing this one as well, but I wanted to show you guys so you can see the difference between the techniques. So this is all the hair that I have left. It's already cleaned, it's conditioned, deep conditioned, and I have a leave-in already on it. Now, I used the Wetline Extreme Gel for this, and I used the blue one. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. You just want to part your hair off, of course. This is about how big the sections are that I'm actually working with. I'm going to just use this scarf. They come pretty much like this, and they come in separate packs, which was super cute. So what I did was I just folded it the long way, just like this, and then folded it the long way again till you got this, and then do it again so that it's like super skinty. So I have my scarf, and what I also did was, of course, take some gel. I'm gonna put it on here. So you do want to take your brush, and I'm taking the Tangle Teaser, and you want to make sure you get all of the tangles out. And I'm going to add some more product because you really want the ends to be able to smooth around themselves. So you just want to make sure you have enough gel on your ends. Not necessarily the rest of the hair, but really those ends. And I really like to make sure all of the hairs are like brushed out. So you get something nice and smooth just like that. Y'all look at my length. Hello hair, hello. Take your hair. You take the scarf, put it up here, wrap it around like this. You want to start basically just like this, and then wrap the hair around the scarf. Go the opposite way and wrap the hair around the scarf. Then go the other way, and then just make sure it's really close to where you first put the first one, and then go the other way. The key to this is just to make sure you bring the hair all the way up so it's super tight and super close. So at the ends of the hair, what you want to do, take some additional gel on your hand. Make sure you get that really detangled, and then finish it off by wrapping the hair around itself so that it's secure on one end. Then you want to go ahead and just tie the scarf just like that, and there you go. Super simple, you guys. You can use any type of tools. Y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all know it's super late right now. I'm so tired, but I really want to go ahead and show y'all this because I was putting them in my hair and I was like, Lord, if I don't, I feel like it's gonna come out looking good, and if I don't show y'all, I'm gonna be so mad. So yeah, so here it is. Put this here, You wrap it around, and then you wrap it around the other way, and then you wrap it around the other way. Now this one seems like this is thicker material, so this curl may be thicker, bigger than the rest of them. That's okay. Finish it off by wrapping it, and then you just tie it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys once I have the rest done. I'm just gonna do like, what, 2 more? I was gonna put my bigger scarf on, but this one's actually too big, because once you do it like this is kind of just like too big of a curl compared to how these are. So honestly, I do recommend you getting the same size of whatever you're going to use, y'all. I had to find a sock. I got a headband. I got a bonnet right here that I just, you know, put up in there. But I would highly recommend you get enough scarves. So just get 2 packs so you have 24 instead of 12. This is what it looks like. And I don't know, I feel like it's gonna come out pretty okay. This is really nice and tight, these curls. So I feel like there's like no room for error. I don't know, that's just my hypothesis. So I am going to go to sleep because I am tired. It is midnight now here. Tomorrow we're gonna take them down and see what kind of curls we got. So stay tuned. Hi you guys, so this is the next day. I've taken out 2. And this one is still kind of wet, actually, like right here. And this one's like completely dry, but y'all, look at this. Like, I don't know what this curl is gonna look like, but right now, it looks pretty darn good. Some of these in the back, like I tried to take this one out back here, and it was like really, really wet. So what I think I'm gonna do, because this one's really, really wet too, but it's holding its shape. So I feel like I can go ahead and take them out and then just let my hair be in these things, I'm thinking. So I want to show you guys kind of how they look when you take them out. You know, you tie at the end. So just like take this out. And then unravel it from the scarf. Look, you guys. What? This is crazy. Look at this. This is what my hair is looking like. I pinned some of them up in the back because they're still like super, super wet. But these aren't like super, super wet. So I'm just going to wrap a scarf around and I'm going to sleep like this overnight. And then hopefully we can unravel them and see what they look like tomorrow. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and I've been asleep, clearly. It's the next day. I haven't looked at my hair yet, but I did take them all out, as you saw previously. So, here we go. Ooh, they hot. Ow. Okay, so, I mean, it took 2 days to dry. And it is very juicy. They're very, well, juicy, crispy. They are very crispy. So I don't know if you actually need the gel. Y'all, it done went literally molded to how I like tied my hair. I tied it back, so it like molded to that. That's cute. Let's get to separating. Got my oil, so I'm just gonna put some oil in my hand. I actually have no idea what kind of curl pattern this is about to be. Now you just want to separate where it naturally wants to separate. But like I said, I don't know what happened to this part. This part was like super wet, and then I took it out. Maybe I shouldn't have took them out yesterday. Maybe I should have just left them in, because I don't know what that one doing. But anyway, okay you guys, so I'm back, and I have completely taken out, separated all of my hair, and this is what it is looking like. Now, I have never seen my hair like this. I don't know what kind of pattern this is. Honestly, my texture is looking so different, and the shrinkage, sis. It's the shrinkage. What is this? I don't know. I have no idea. But I do know that there was a lot going on my hair. I had some that are bigger. I had some that are like super small. But let me show you guys what the curls, the actual curls look like. They look really pretty if you ask me, like separately. Like, look. These are what they look like because of how I wrap my hair around it. Like, every single curl is, like, super freaking defined. But when it comes together, it's all, like, shrunken and stuff. My texture looks so different. It literally looks like my hair was straight and I put, like, a bunch of rollers in my hair. How freaky. I got some frizz right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it out because I want to see how it looks stretched out. This right here is just like, I mean, I can't function. I need some more length. So I am going to go in with my Dyson dryer. You guys know I love this thing. So I'm just going to go in with this and stretch it out at the roots. And then I'm going to come back. And then we're going to see how I feel about it then. Right now, I'm feeling like Shirley Temple. I'm feeling like I could pick this out, though, and make, like, a really beautiful Gatsby hairstyle with my makeup and stuff. But for the sake of this video, I am going to go ahead and stretch it out and see what kind of look I get from that. Okay, you guys. Now I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Like, it looks so good. I stretched it out a little bit. I tried to, like, pick it out a little bit, and it just feels so good. And if you see it in person, like, every single curl looks very good. It looks so good. It looks like my hair is, like, silky, but, like, curly at the same time. It's very weird, but I really do like it. I do wish that I would have been a little bit more strategic about where I placed my scarves and stuff, because of course there are different sizes. The gel is, like, hard, but I actually, at first I didn't like that I put gel on it, but now it's okay. I would use a foam though. I think a foam would be nice, but I do feel like this will hold for, like, a while, and it may get, like, bigger and beautiful. I don't know. I like it. For this to be a no heat style, I didn't use any heat. I didn't sit on the dryer. Nothing. I like it. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, look at, they are so weird, but they're like, it's like curls. These are like curls that I got off a freaking scarf. If you try this look, make sure you use my hashtag Kimberly Cherrell on Instagram so that I can see it. If you guys want to see more videos with my scarves, let me know in the comment section below. There are so many different techniques. You don't have to go do the loops and stuff that I did. You can literally braid it like I showed you how the back piece was. You can literally do a lot of stuff with the scarves. So if you guys want to see more videos of me using scarves for my curls and for hairstyles, let me know in the comment section below. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. You gotta subscribe if you want to see the rest of the videos. And I know there's so many of you are watching every single video, but you're not subscribed. Like, it have to have an ED on the end. I know some of y'all look at it and be like, oh, it say subscribe. That mean I'm subscribed. No, it has to say the D on the end. If the D ain't on it, it ain't happened, sis. Hit the dang button. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to?